Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to teach you today on how you can get Instagram threads. Now, it's actually very easy to do, so make sure to watch the video all the way to the end to understand how you can do this yourself. Now, you can see here I'm currently on my phone. Now, head over to the App Store. It could be on Android or iOS. Now, basically, head over to the search bar, then click and then type in threads. Now, basically, that is the name of the app, so just go ahead and search it, and it should be this one right here. Threads in Instagram app. It should be kind of like an at symbol as if it was like at gmail.com. That should be the icon of it. Just go ahead and download, then click open. Now you can see here it's kind of similar to Instagram, but it's kind of like a knockoff Twitter. So you can see here that basically I'm currently on the timeline. I'm already signed into my account, but in your case, if you're actually new and you sign up, it's going to give you the option to actually merge your existing Instagram account to a Threads account here. So you'll have both an Instagram and Threads account, but basically you'll have the option to follow anybody you followed prior on Instagram. So you can see here that these are the people that I actually follow. Unfortunately, I didn't click the option, but you could click right here, and these are all the people that I follow on Instagram. So that's how you download and get Threads. It's actually very easy, and hopefully it wasn't too complicated of a process. That being said, leave a like, subscribe. I will see you all until next time.